Tired of deciphering hieroglyphics instead of your champion's abilities? Let's get you reading Korean in League, lickety-split. First, find your League of Legends installation folder. It's usually in your Riot Games directory, but if you installed it somewhere else, track it down. Inside the League folder, open the config folder. This is where the magic happens. Find the game.cfg file. It's a configuration file that controls many of the game's settings. Open game.cfg with a text editor. Scroll down until you find a line that says locale equals n_us. Yours might say something different like n_GB or fr_fr depending on your region. Change the text after the equals sign to co_kr. This tells the game to use the Korean language pack. Save the file. Make sure you save it as a .cfg file, and not something else like a .txt file. Now, restart your League of Legends client. When it reopens, you should see all the text displayed in Korean. You might need to download a small language pack. Enjoy playing League of Legends in Korean. If you want to revert back, just change co_kr back to your original locale. Easy peasy.